like Clark, I can't stop. Fuck around, make my 40 pop. No popcorn, I pop pistols. Reaming my body, clothing no issue. Bitch, you look sick, you need a tissue. You drop a body, I just might bless you.
Well, it's that time. Don't worry, we finna get you right, G. Gotta get the cereal. Bowls in. Oh yeah. So you really gonna take my milk? What'd you say? You heard me. Now put the milk back and nobody gets hurt. Thank you. Bruh, this gotta be a dream. Am I tripping? Nah, bruh. Put it back. Bro, come on, fool. I'm just trying to make some cereal. I don't care. Put the milk back and nobody gets hurt. Alright. I'm just cook these eggs. Nope. We be letting y'all do this for years, y'all humans. Always taking our eggs, taking our food and everything. What you talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Don't play stupid. Where's all this anger coming from? Anger? Nah, this built up aggression. You know what's been happening. I don't know what you talking about. Okay, so you gonna keep playing stupid? Yeah. Nobody gets hurt. I'm glad you remember. If you not, you finna put that milk back. Put the milk back before I lose my... Put the milk back. I'm not gonna ask you again. Put the milk back. Alright. Now. I'm just get some water. And you still taking stuff from me. Put the water back. Now. I can't drink no water? No, put it back. You got a whole bunch of bottles in there, though. I don't care. Put it back. I'm thirsty. Alright. Well, I'm gonna do the cereal then. No, you're not. I'm gonna do the cereal then. Alright, I'm gonna just kill your family. Oh man. It was just a dream. Yeah. We gotta get... Oh, so you wanna die?
All night, so you don't wanna wait on me. I'm about to catch my flight, so you don't gotta wait on me. No, you don't wanna